As foretold in the prophecy, a goddess is reborn, a warrior queen and savior who must face her destiny.
Bloody pirates.
Summoner 2. In developing the sequel to one of the top-selling role-playing adventure titles for the PlayStation 2, THQ and Volition reconsidered virtually every aspect of the game, determined to create an experience that far surpassed Summoner 1.
Basically, when we started working on Summoner 2, we said, all right, what elements did we like from Summoner 1? And we kept all of those and then decided to just transform and change everything else for Summoner 2. We have done some under-the-hood improvements that sort of take more advantage of the power of the PlayStation 2.
Using the PS2 platform to maximum effect allowed the developers to make tremendous improvements for Summoner 2, such as 30 wildly imaginative 3D locales, real-time action with an all-new party-driven combat system, and at the center, an immersive character-driven story.
I am Maya, Queen of Halasar.
Summoner 2 takes place in the Kingdom of Halasar, and the main character, the character that you play, is Maya. She's the Queen of Halasar. She has a prophecy to fulfill. Her big problem, her big conflict is that she doesn't know at the beginning of the game how to go about fulfilling this prophecy.
Will you come with me?
Maya is joined on her quest by a group of customizable characters, which include Sangoril, a trained assassin and Maya's ally, Torgus, Maya's mentor and trusted advisor, Prince Neru, a pirate king with a mysterious past, Iari, an automaton with magical energy weapons, and Morbazon, a massive spellcaster with the power to devour souls.
We have 7 different characters, and each of them can be developed in a multitude of different ways. Maya herself is very versatile. She can be a spellcaster, a healer, a melee fighter, or whatever you want her to be.
Each of these characters is brought to life by a team of designers, artists, and animators.
First, you've got the concept guys who have to actually come up with a visual representation of something that everybody's just kind of been talking about. Then the character guys take the 2D concept drawings that we have and then flesh those ideas out so that they look correct from all 3 angles that you'd see them in the game. And then the animators are the guys that really make them, they add that final touch to the game that makes them look realistic and compelling to the player.
From the Palace of Halasar to Munari City, the level designers create the 3D world in which the characters and the player will live.
I think fantasy, as far as creating a game world, does offer a lot of opportunities. Whatever you see in the game, you can walk up to and you can explore and you can interact with it. We've given the player an environment that they can almost live in.
Combining superlative storytelling with real-time action, Summoner 2 promises to take role-playing adventure games to the next level.